So here we are in the beautiful Jindabyne, the epicentre of sport and recreation in New South Wales, or maybe indeed Australia. So yeah, obviously the lake behind me, there was an old town under there apparently, but generally speaking, outdoor sports everywhere you look, mountain bike riding, Kosciuszko climbs. In the winter you've obviously got your snowboarders and skiers that just swell to the town. Population wise, about probably 3,000 people here generally that reside here year long. It's actually growing at a greater rate than regional New South Wales, and obviously for good reason. Most people would have come here in winter, but not a lot in summer. So yeah, look, it's a magnificent spot right throughout the year. From a real estate perspective, I come back to infrastructure and infrastructure changes. What's happening right now or pending is a bypass, which is if you're coming in from Cooma, you're going to actually bypass the town centre, and the bypass will bring you out at the more or less the turn off to go up to Thredbo. So what does that do to the town? It just means people can get here quicker. They're going to spend more time in Jindabyne after their day's ski or snowboarding, and they're going to spend some money. So it's fantastic for the economy, I believe. Speaking to the locals on the ground, what's happening at the minute is any land that's released, it's snapped up even before it is released, and builders can't keep up at the rate that they're building. So not that that means hundreds of properties getting built at the one time, but that's just the tightness of the land availability here in Jindabyne. So property prices up around 850 onwards really. You're not getting much for 850 at the moment in Jindabyne, and because of the population and not a lot of land, it's pretty tightly held as well. So there you go, that's Jindabyne. We've spent a good 5 days here. We could spend another week here. It's just amazing to see everyone out exercising all times of the day. Not sure who's working, but in any case, everyone's having a good time. Catch up with you soon.